Get ready to celebrate Halloween in style with PandaHall rings. From creepy skulls to playful pumpkins, each ring is made to capture the spirit of the season. Designed for both fun and fashion, they highlight your festive look instantly. Wear them for parties, trick-or-treat events, or just to show your Halloween mood. With PandaHall, every detail becomes part of the celebration. Discover Halloween rings with just one click at PandaHall. Our collection is full of seasonal favorites, featuring spooky, fun, and eye-catching designs. Easy to browse and shop, you'll find rings perfect for every occasion. Whether you want subtle details or bold statement pieces, we've got you covered. Enter the Halloween rings page and step into the festive world. Explore Halloween rings in every style: playful pumpkins, spooky skulls, elegant webs, and more. Each piece is designed to fit a unique festive mood. You can mix and match for creative looks or wear them solo for a statement. They're ideal for parties, costume matching, or daily style with a seasonal twist. With so many options, there's a perfect ring for everyone. Every detail shines with style: smooth finishes, radiant stones, and perfectly paired designs. Earring sets are more than accessories. They are your everyday essentials. Our most popular Halloween rings are here: fun, stylish, and loved by jewelry fans everywhere. These bestsellers capture the playful spirit of the holiday while staying trendy. Customers love them for parties, photos, and everyday wear. Each piece is timeless in its own festive way. Add them to your collection and join the favorites club. Start your Halloween style journey today with PandaHall rings. Choose designs that highlight your personality and match your festive spirit. These rings are perfect finishing touches for any holiday look. Easy to shop and fun to wear, they make the season even brighter. Don't wait. Click now to find your favorite rings. Thanks for watching. Discover more Halloween rings and festive jewelry at PandaHall. Make every holiday outfit stand out with style. We've got everything you need for a spooky, stylish season. Visit us today and shine this Halloween.